Hello everyone, so I'm here to share with you my fall design team package for European PaperCrafts. Let's see what I got. So I got, these are the glossy stickers, and these are the cats, and it has these really nice gold foil. I really like the gold foil, it stands out a lot. I will have all of the links to each product in the description box in the order that I show them to you. All right. The next one are the card toppers, and these are owls. And if you know what they are or may not know, see how they are numbered. Pretty much what you do, and these are already die cut for you. All you gotta do is just punch them out. So you layer this one on top of this, and then you layer these two on top of this one, and it creates like a dimensional embellishment. So you get two sets right here. This next item is Paper Mania Country Life papers and die cuts. So it comes with the die cuts, you guys. Again, you can see it right here. Everything's already been cut for you. All you got to do is just punch it out and use this as ephemera. And this same concept, like I had mentioned, a lot of all the layering, so you can make really dimensional embellishments. Here is another one, and just keep in mind this is just a sample of what you can get. This is not a complete set, okay? And then these are just, you know, ephemeras that you can just use throughout your project. Here is some of the papers that you can get. So here's this green gingham. This is acetate, and look at that chicken wire. I really like this one. I like the strawberries too. Look at this one. I really like this one. And then this one says Home Sweet Home. These are yellow background with hearts. These are just dots, and the yellow gingham as well. These are 3D sticker sunflowers. Perfect for fall. She also has this in her store, which this is what you can use for, you know, to do your 3D embellishments. And also she also carries rhinestones in her store. Oh, and one last thing, these are easy 3D embellishments, you guys. So these are really neat. This is what I'm talking about. You just layer, you add some foam dots to the back, put that on top, more foam dots to this one, and then you get like a 3D effect. So we're going to assemble this one together, and let me show you. So these are like Halloween themed, and she has a lot in her store. Christmas, anything you can think of. There's like a huge variety, but these, of course, because Halloween is just around the corner. And so it comes with three layers. So we're going to assemble these together right now using the foam dots that came with this DT package. Check out these foam dots, you guys. I love that it comes with different sizes. You can see these are really longer. These are just squares, and then these are smaller squares. So you can see that I already used some. And so I added it to the back of this larger one that's going to go on here. So let's go ahead and do that. Let me take off the backing. Another thing is that I just noticed it's black. I like that because you don't really find black foam adhesive very often, or it's kind of hard to find. Okay. So I'm going to layer this as best as I can exactly on top of this other one. So that's what we have so far. Now I'm going to work on this guy. He looks kind of funny. And I went with the medium size square, and I just need one. So now I'm going to layer this one, the third layer, on top of the previous one. And I think it gives you just the perfect amount of dimension. Look at that. All right, so now let's make the next one. So I'm going to turn these over and just add adhesive right now. And there you have it, you guys. So this is the one that you should have seen right now. And look at that. Like I said, I think it gives you the perfect amount of dimension that you need for your project. Alright, hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out the European PaperCrafts links. They will all be in the description box. Also, don't forget to use my coupon code, and I will also have that in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you all have an awesome day. Bye.